Whoa, welcome to the S&M show. I'm by myself this morning. Shawn is at work, but it's okay because today I'm cooking because it's Sunday. So, as y'all already saw, we making macaroni and cheese, rice, greens, and barbecue chicken. So the first thing I think I'm gonna start cooking is the greens because they probably gonna take the longest. Yeah, they probably gonna take the longest. Right now, I already got my chicken sitting in the salt water and stuff. But yeah, we about to get started on these greens. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, as y'all can see, this is a pot of water for the greens. Before I put my greens in the pot, I always let the water boil, and I put my seasonings in it. So these are seasonings that I use. I use greens seasoning and I use pepper, and that's it. I'm not gonna cook it with no neck bones today, because I know some people like to cook theirs with ham hocks and turkey necks and stuff like that. But today I'm just cooking the greens by itself. So let this water boil for a little bit, and I'm gonna put this green seasoning in it. I'm gonna just put a little bit because I know when the greens boil, I want to put some more in there while they boiling so they can have some flavor. I'm gonna put some pepper in there. Just let it boil. I'm not gonna put too much because I'm gonna add it once they boil. And that's it for right now. So we just gotta wait till it's boiling and we can put those greens in there. Alright, so while that's boiling, I done already cleaned off my chicken out of the salt water. So it's time to get to the best part, and that's the seasoning. So watch me work. Alright y'all, the best part. These are the seasonings that I use. I use chicken seasoning, some garlic powder, some pepper, and sometimes I use seasoned meat tenderizer. My mother uses a lot for her steak. So yeah, it makes the meat real tender. I don't really need it, but sometimes I like to use it, so I'm gonna use it today. So yeah, so let's get started. And I'm never afraid to season my meat, because that's what make it taste good. Add all the seasoning you want. It'll be nice, flavorful. Pepper. And while y'all watching this, comment down below and let me know what y'all use to season y'all chicken. Everybody season their meat differently. Black pepper, y'all see that? I'm not afraid to put no seasoning on my chicken, Now to the garlic powder. A little bit of that, dab a little bit. Alright y'all, look at that. Look at that. Y'all know that's gonna be good. Y'all know that's gonna be good. All this seasoning. So yeah, I'm done my seasoning for my chicken, and the oven preheating. But before I always put it in the oven, I either drizzle a little bit of oil on it or I put butter on it. So for right now, while the oven's still heating up, we're gonna check on the greens, the water for the greens. It's getting hot a little bit, but it's not boiling like how I want it to be boiling yet. So the greens is all in there. I know these gonna go. Add some green seasoning. Get that. And some pepper. We're gonna let them cook. Alright, y'all, now back to the chicken. So I got some vegetable oil because I'm gonna drizzle some oil over the chicken. And then I like to put a little bit of water in the pan too. You know, so the chicken won't dry out or whatever. But I watch my mother do it, so that's why I do it. Alright, so here we go. Just a little bit, not too much. Much. That should be it. Alright, now the water. Just, you know, dab a little bit on the sides. Alright. That's it. So now it's time to put this chicken in the oven. So the chicken in the oven, the greens on the stove. I'm gonna let both of them cook for a minute. I'm not gonna cook the macaroni and cheese or the rice just yet because like they cook fast. So I'm not rushing to cook. You know, it's only what, like one something, probably like 1 or 12 going on 1. So yeah, I'm gonna let them both cook for a minute and then we're gonna come back and see how they cooking. All right, y'all, it's been some time. Let's check on these greens. Okay, they cooking real good, but they not nowhere near done. Look at that. Oh, woo! Oh, let's see. They cooking real good. Still gotta let them cook for some more. Alright, let's check on the chicken. I know the chicken ain't nowhere near done, but let's check on it anyway. But it's not nowhere near done. And look at all that seasoning on there. That's gonna be good, y'all. Oh my god. Alright, let's put that back in there. Alright, y'all. I took the chicken out and I moved them around because they was kind of stuck together. So some parts don't got no seasoning on it, but that's fine. So yeah, it's like real tender. I taste the piece and it tastes real good. And yeah, I'm about to barbecue it, put some barbecue sauce on it, and put it back in there for another hour. Alright, now I'm gonna put them back in the oven. Okay, now the water's on the stove. All I have to wait for is it to start boiling so I can add the tomatoes and then yeah. Alright, y'all, it's boiling, so it's time to start adding the macaroni and cheese. around. It's a lot of macaroni and cheese. I ain't feel like making a baked macaroni and cheese, so I just choose to make it out of the box. I'm gonna keep stirring them here and there, but I'm gonna just let them cook, and then when they done, I'm gonna strain it, and then I can add the cheese. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit, and then I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. All done, y'all. Look at that. That looks so good. All done. Everything is all done. Alright, y'all. I'm done all the food. I cannot wait to eat because everything looks so good. It tastes so good. Oh my god. And I can't wait for Shawn to get home so he can taste it. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Comment and subscribe. Comment if you want me to cook anything else. I cook every Sunday if y'all want me to. So just comment anything else y'all want me to cook. And yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, yeah, I already said that. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you're not already. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video.